Hey guys, and today I'm going to teach my dad how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube.
I've spent the last several days trying to figure it out on my own, and I cannot solve it.
Alright, let's get into it.
So what have I got to do?
Pick a color.
I'll go with red, since that's my favorite color.
So that red has a white and a blue.
All right. Now what?
So try to find another red with white or blue.
So I've got red with blue here, and then I've got red with white here.
Okay, can you put the red on the bottom so it's easier?
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the one on top, that
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What that red has in common with the other one is blue.
Right.
We want to put the blue on the right side because it will...
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm going to teach you an algorithm.
All right.
Right side up, upside left,
Let's turning this to the left like
Yeah.
that. Okay.
right side down, upside right.
Like that. Okay.
And then you got it.
Oh, sweet.
But
so if it
so-
didn't match, would I just keep doing the algorithm until it did match?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I want this whole side to be red. How do I
Yeah.
get the other two pieces down there?
So find another red.
All right, red right here.
That one has green and white.
Yeah.
So find that red piece has white. So you want to move that piece right next to it.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
So I'm gonna move this down here.
yeah.
Okay.
So make sure that's on your right thumb.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do the algorithm again.
All right,
Right
so
side up, upside left, right left, right side down.
and then
Yeah,
right,
you've got it.
Yeah. Okay. That's not too hard to remember. All right. So that's done now. So now I've got to move
That red right there.
this red here. So do I rotate it into position there to move it down here?
Yeah. So
Alright.
right side up,
Okay.
upside left,
Upside left.
right side down.
And then right.
Yeah, you've got it. So
So
do that again until you
that.
get it.
That. Nope. That.
There you go. You got
All
it.
right. Sweet. Okay, so now what?
So since you already have two matched, I want you to do an up move, like just left or right.
Up move like this?
No, like
Or
the
up
upper
here?
half.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Cause like
Alright.
you only want one match.
Oh, so two matches isn't good.
yeah, that's not
Okay.
good.
All right.
So
what's a match though?
you see that one has that block has white and green.
Yeah.
So if the upper half one had white or green, both had white and green,
Mm-hmm.
those would be a match.
Okay.
So like
So
you got it. Like
that's not a match then, right?
yeah, that's not a match because
And
that one
then-
has yellow but not.
That's so
Green.
none of these are matches then.
Okay,
And
then
look-
turn
So
it again.
turn it again. Okay.
Okay,
So
see
that's not a match.
those two are automatically not a match
That's not a
because
match.
yeah.
That's not a match. Okay, so none of these, and then so just keep doing this until that's no.
Those
no,
two no.
Nope.
No.
None of these are matches.
So
So now what?
if you all have, so I'm gonna tell you the algorithm early because if you don't have any, you're just gonna do this algorithm.
Okay. So
It's gonna be the same one I'm gonna teach you in the future. It's upside left,
Uh-huh.
right side up,
Side up.
upside right,
Side right. Yeah.
left side up,
Side up. Yeah.
upside left,
Upside
the
left.
higher,
like
yeah.
that. Okay.
right side down,
Down.
upside right,
Uh-huh. And then
Left
left,
side
down.
down.
Okay, because you did right already. Okay. So now
see if any of those match.
that one, no. That one, no. Let's see, that one, yes, that one does match. That one also matches.
So turn the cube because we only want
We
one
only
match.
want one match. Two is bad. No. No. Or
No.
no, that's not no. No match. That's a match.
Yeah, that's a match.
So we got one.
So we want to ignore orange because it's the opposite of red. So
because
yeah,
opposite as in like orange and red are never going to be next to each other.
Yeah, they're never going to be next to each other.
Okay, so that's going to be up here when we're done.
And that's a pair because that one has green and that one has white.
Okay.
So we're going to do the algorithm again.
All right.
Upside left.
Side left.
Right side up.
Right side up. All right.
Upside right.
Uh-huh.
Left side up.
So up.
Upside left.
Upside like that. Okay.
Yeah.
And then
right side down.
Then
Upside right.
Right. And then down.
Yeah.
Okay. So now do I check for matches again?
Yeah.
Okay. So that one's a match. That one is not. That one is not. So I think we still have one match.
So we're going to do the algorithm again.
Okay. Does it matter where I start?
It's the one that is still matched. So
like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Upside left.
Left.
Right side up.
Up.
Upside right.
Uh-huh.
Left side up.
Uh-huh.
Upside left.
Yep.
Right side down.
Down.
Upside right.
And then down.
Left side down.
Okay. So that's a match. That's a match. That's a match. And we are matched all the way around.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
So we just finished the second layer.
Yep.
Now flip the cube over for the third step.
Okay.
So the two pieces that are not solved yet, I'm gonna teach you the algorithm. It's the same algorithm as the first one. So make sure it's on your right hand.
Like this? That's
yeah, and then the same one, so it's right side up.
So it's we want the one in my right hand that we want to solve.
And then we want the orange to face down. So right
like
side.
This.
No.
Oh, the orange side. Okay. Oh, right, because it's opposite.
Go back to the piece because it's gonna be easier if we go to.
So if I did it like this.
No, the other way. Yeah, that
the
way.
unsolved pieces need to be on the right side facing down. Got it. Okay.
And then we're doing the first algorithm. So right side up, upside left. You've got it, yeah.
And then down.
Down.
And right.
Yeah, and then you keep doing that until you match it.
Left, down, right. Up and up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right.
Okay, so you got it.
Okay, that one.
So do down right. So the lower half, and then move that right.
To the right like that.
Move it right again.
Oh,
again.
so the point. Okay,
yeah,
where this one's on my right.
We want to do this because, so it doesn't mess it up.
Oh, okay. Oh, so.
Because if we turn the face, it would mess up our algorithm.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Okay, so right side up, the same algorithm.
Left, down, right, up, left, down.
Hey, you solved it.
Hey, whoa, look at that.
Let's go.
All right.
Congrats.
Well, that was cool. Could you teach me how to solve the 3x3?
Click this video to watch me teach my dad how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube.